Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy. 40 questions, 7 seconds each. Let's kick things off.
Zanahoria.
Next one, nice and easy.
Manzana.
Do you know this one?
Leche.
A daily essential. What do you call it?
Pan.
All right, food lovers, your turn.
Queso.
Think you've got this? Let's see.
Naranja.
A sweet one. Can you name it?
Fresa.
This one shows up everywhere.
Arroz.
Tropical vibes. What's the word?
Piña.
Quick one. Don't overthink it.
Huevo.
You definitely know this.
Plátano.
Getting into the rhythm now.
Uvas.
Something sweet. What is it?
Pastel.
Snack time! What's the name?
Galleta.
A favorite for many. Go!
Helado.
This one catches people out.
Pimiento.
Simple drink. What's your answer?
Zumo.
Common food, but do you know it?
Papa.
Careful, this one can trick you.
Cebolla.
You use this word every day.
Agua.
Strong flavor. Strong question.
Ajo.
Healthy choice. What's it called?
Lechuga.
A classic. You should know this.
Vino.
Sweet and simple.
Azúcar.
Let's see if you're still focused.
Pollo.
Energy boost. What's the word?
Café.
Used in baking. Think carefully.
Harina.
Fresh and crunchy. Your turn.
Pepino.
A popular dish. Name it.
Pescado.
Don't mix this one up.
Pimienta.
Big, juicy, and easy?
Sandía.
All right, drink round.
Cerveza.
This one's a little trickier.
Guisantes.
Let's raise the level.
Ternera.
Look closely. What is it?
Champiñón.
Bright yellow. You know it.
Maíz.
A Spanish classic. Go!
Aceitunas.
Small but tricky.
Cacahuete.
Almost there. Stay sharp.
Cereza.
This one separates the pros.
Puerro.
And that's it. How did you do?